Navigating Cloud Migration: Essential Strategies for a Seamless Transition. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Migrating to the cloud is a complex process that can unlock significant benefits, including cost efficiency, scalability, and innovation. However, organizations must carefully plan and execute cloud migration strategies to reap these rewards. This podcast will walk you through best practices and methodologies to ensure a smooth and successful transition to the cloud. Initiating cloud migration: the pre-migration checklist. Before embarking on your cloud migration journey, it's essential to establish a clear roadmap. Here's a pre-migration checklist to guide your preparation. Assessment of current infrastructure. Understand your IT environment, including workloads, dependencies, and performance metrics. Cost analysis. Estimate the potential migration costs, including initial expenses and long-term cloud costs. Security and compliance review. Identify regulatory requirements and security protocols that must be adhered to during and after migration. Stakeholder alignment. Ensure all key stakeholders are on board with the migration plan and understand their roles. Skills assessment. Evaluate whether your team has the necessary skills for cloud management or if additional training is required. Establishing a Cloud Center of Excellence and Governance model. A Cloud Center of Excellence, CO, is the backbone of your cloud strategy, providing governance, best practices, and centralized management. Here's how to establish one. Define objectives. Clearly outline the goals and responsibilities of your co. Build a multidisciplinary team. Include members from various departments, such as IT, finance, and security, to ensure a holistic approach. Develop governance policies. Create policies that govern cloud usage, data management, and security protocols. Continuous improvement. Regularly update governance models to adapt to new technologies and business needs. Transitioning to the cloud. Key considerations during migration. The actual migration phase is where many challenges can arise. Here are vital considerations to keep in mind. Choose the right migration strategy. Whether rehosting, replatforming, or refactoring, choose a strategy that aligns with your business goals. Minimize downtime. Plan migrations during low traffic periods and consider hybrid approaches to ensure minimal disruption. Test extensively. Conduct thorough testing to identify and resolve issues before fully transitioning to the cloud. Data integrity and security. Ensure data is securely transferred and remains intact throughout migration. Automating processes and prioritizing managed services. Automation and managed services can significantly reduce the complexity of cloud migration. Here's how to leverage them. Automate repetitive tasks. Use automation tools to handle repetitive migration tasks such as data transfer and configuration. Leverage managed services. Prioritize using cloud-native managed services, like AWS RDS or Google Cloud's BigQuery, to reduce the burden of infrastructure management. Continuous monitoring. Implement automated monitoring to track real-time performance and security. Building resilience. Crafting an effective exit strategy. An effective exit strategy is crucial to avoid being trapped in a cloud environment that no longer meets your needs. Here's how to build one. Plan for reversibility. Design your architecture to allow easy rollback to on-premises or another cloud provider. Data portability. Ensure data can be easily exported and migrated between platforms. Cost considerations. Include the potential costs of exiting the cloud in your long-term financial planning, preventing vendor lock-in and enhancing disaster recovery plans. Vendor lock-in can limit your flexibility and increase costs. To prevent it. Multi-cloud strategy. Use a multi-cloud approach to avoid dependence on a single provider. Open standards. Utilize open standards and APIs to facilitate easier transitions between cloud providers. Disaster recovery. Enhance your disaster recovery plan to include cross-cloud recovery options, ensuring business continuity in case of provider issues. Scaling cloud migrations. Strategies for large-scale projects. Large-scale cloud migrations require meticulous planning and execution. Here's how to scale effectively. Phased migration. Break the migration into phases to manage complexity and minimize risk. Cross-functional teams. Create cross-functional teams that can simultaneously tackle different aspects of the migration. Tooling and automation. Invest in enterprise-grade migration tools that can handle large volumes of data and complex architectures. Organizational structure, onboarding, and continuous improvement. The success of your cloud migration is not just about technology, it's also about people and processes. Here's how to structure your organization. Change management. Develop a plan to help employees transition to new processes and tools. Onboarding programs. Create comprehensive onboarding programs to train employees on new cloud technologies and practices. Feedback loops. Establish feedback loops to gather insights from teams and continuously improve your cloud environment. By following these best practices and methodologies, your organization can confidently navigate the complexities of cloud migration, ensuring a smooth transition and long-term success in the cloud. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.